Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post beauty related content here on YouTube. They're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we have a haul, and you know how much I love a good Coloupop haul. So by the time I've done this video, I still have one order from Coloupop coming, but it's not even moved from America. It's the Muppet collection. This includes everything from the last couple of months, I'd say. I always say couple of months because I'm not too sure when it started. When I finish ordering, all I know is it's nearly the end of November, so it's probably for October and November. But let's get into it because we've got some goodies in here. I've ordered, like, not full collections, but I've ordered collections and like missed parts out. So the first thing we've got here is the Avatar palette. How much do we like this palette? Isn't it gorgeous? Just look at that, the packaging, and then it comes out like this. And this is what it looks like on the front. I'm sorry, I'm so sad I missed the highlights, but so glad I've got the palette. Everything, the attention to detail. I always say this in my Coloupop haul, and then I always say this, but the attention to detail is insane. I absolutely love Coloupop. Like, you just can't go wrong with it. And I love how each row is different colours. So you got your blues, neutrals, reds and brown. I love it. Absolutely love it. Just pulling things at random. This is definitely from October as well, because we've got the Hocus Pocus palette. Again, like, just... Oh, I'm pulling the sleeve, but... Not just that, I'm sorry, but look at that on the inside. I've got nothing more to say. We've got the three sisters who are gorgeous. Then we've got them here again. And then we've got the palette. Now the palette is not my favourite. I feel like I do love... Wait, is this like Hocus Pocus their third collection? Or is this their second? Because they had a small palette and then they had another palette. I feel like this could be their third collection, you know. It's not my favourite one of all, but I do love the colours. You've got orange, you've got green, you've got purple. I'm not a fan of these kinds of greens because they're very, very like neon. But I do love, oh yeah, I did put my finger through the black just there. I do love the tones of this palette for the rest of the shades. This orange looks like it's going to be fire. I'm going to try and keep two collections here. So the next part of that collection was, they had 3 lip glosses. I bought one and then I saw the other one swatched later, and in another order I added a second one. So the one that I did buy, I believe, was this one, which is called We're Young. I think this is the orange one. I'm trying not to buy full collections unless I'm going to use it. But yeah, that is the one that I bought. It's the orange one. I had to get the orange one. I'm hoping you can see the tinge. No smell to it. Then we've got Boys Will Be Boys, and I put buying this off the first time round, but then I saw it swatched and I was like, oh my god, this is gorgeous. Like, it's like a deep purple with glitter, or like a black with glitter. I don't know, it's okay, it's like a really faded kind of muted, I don't know, grey, black. But it looks wonderful, and I thought on top of a purple lip, this will look incredible. I just love the glitters throughout it. Absolutely stunning. I'm actually not sure what was in that collection as well, probably like eyelashes and stuff, but they were the items that screamed out to me. Now the next collection we have is a Troublemaker. This collection, I'm sorry, this collection is gorgeous. Again, love the palette. It's like a silvery cool tone girl's dream. Well, it's certainly my dream. If you love your silvers and you love your greys, this is it. This is it. And it's got the pinks in there too. I feel like I need to do more Coloupop testing videos. I'm definitely going to do that. If you guys want it, I will do it. And then from that collection, we actually have not 2, not 4, but 6 lip products, and I am going to show you them all. These are their Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. This is the shade So Emotional. That is a nice burgundy colour. Then we've got the shade Meme Maker. That will look stunning with a deep liner. Oh, next shade is Total Funk. They're very velvety, which I love because I am not a like proper lip kit type of drying person. And just look at the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? I say I'm not, yet I just bought 3 Kylie lip kits. This is Little Rebel. I feel like I haven't bought a Kylie lip kit in a very long time, but for Black Friday they had like a good 40% off, and if you spent 70 quid you got like a free exfoliator or a detox mask. I did 2 orders, so I've got a melting cleanser and a detox mask on the way as well, and they were free. That shade with that silver glitter over the top would be so good. Main character. Oh, I should just swatch these all in a video, but we've got one left. That is main character. That would really go with the top I'm wearing. This top, by the way, is from Shein. It's actually a crop top that I bought for work because I thought it'd be a bit more flowy, and then I could wear like wide trousers underneath, but it wasn't. But it's a perfect filming top. Next shade we have is Seriously. That is gorgeous too. All those shades are gorgeous. All right, that's that collection done. I actually did order, no, I think I bought this off of our auction group. This is the Tinkerbell palette. There was me thinking, oh, I don't have the Tinkerbell palette, when actually it's been sitting in my Coloupop pile for how long? It's second hand, but it is gorgeous, and I finally own it. I feel like it's probably been used once, but that is stunning. And can you see Tinkerbell there? Love it. Then we have like 2 of their Christmassy palettes. I believe this is like their Christmas collection. It came out with like 4 or 3 lip glosses, but I didn't realise, and they're off the website by now. So this one is called Fairy Well. It is so stunning. Like, I feel like I need to do like a shop my stash with this, and then once I've done that one, for Christmas we are going to use this palette, which is called Enchanted. They actually come as a set as well, or you can buy them individually. They were out of stock when I last checked, but Coloupop are always putting things back into stock. But look at this. It is gorgeous. Like, I feel like this is perfect for me for Christmas because it's purple, and you know I love purples, like berry tone purples for Christmas. The next one without a collection is C3PO. Again, attention to detail with this collection, with this palette, sorry, is just 10 out of 10. Not only have we got C3PO on there, we've also got R2-D2. We've got a little R2-D2 in the corner here. I'm sorry. And then another C3PO in the corner there. Oh, it's only got 3 mattes, but we're very forgiving seeing as it's gorgeous. Then I got this collection. I don't know what this collection is called. I didn't buy the whole thing. This is, oh, Snitchery X Coloupop. Okay, I don't believe there was a shadow palette with this, but there was 2 sets of Super Shock shadows, and I only bought 1 set because I didn't like the look of the other one. This was the one that I really was like, I need. Can you see those colours in there? This is the Magical Girl Super Shock Duo. I'm sorry, but they are gorgeous. I don't even want to touch them, but we're gonna. Just to show you how gorgeous it is. That with a smoky eye would look insane. And then we've got this one, which is called Metamorphosis. I didn't even check the name of the other one. I've already put a swatch in there, I'm sorry. Look at that. Love those. Then there's 3 lip kits. Had to buy them all. So we've got the Divine Feminine lip kit. Look at the colour on them. Oh, this is like a nice warm tone orange brown lip liner. And then the Lippy Stick to Match, which is just a little bit lighter and very satin. I don't know if it's meant to be a matte. They've stopped putting on them if they're meant to be like a matte or if they're meant to be like a satin kind of formula, which I don't really mind because, to be fair, if they're matte, I just put a gloss over them. Then we have the Female Gaze lip kit. I love Colourpop lip kits. I love Coloupop lip products. Oh, look how bright this is. It's a black lip kit. I actually don't know who Snitchery is, if it is someone. Oh, that was like the creamiest black to ever go on my hands. Love that. So I guess this one, Femme Fatale, is just gonna match the lip liner and lipstick. That way you don't, if you like take them all out the boxes, you know which box goes with what. It's a lovely red. That is a gorgeous red. The liner, again, is a little bit darker than the actual lipstick. Now that Coloupop have really, really turned me on, they're going to turn me on even more with this collection. Oh wait, no. I got two more things to show you before you see the penultimate collection. We have blush sticks. That's what they are. We have Ziggy and She Devil. Ziggy is in the green packaging. She Devil is in the red. Oh, that's Ziggy. That would be perfect for anyone. And then She Devil. Oh, sorry, got a phone call. Okay, so She Devil is a very neutral orange shade right there. I like Ziggy much more. This collection is a chocolate collection. And not only is this a chocolate collection, but it smells like a chocolate collection. It is stunning. I'm sorry, but I have nothing bad to say about this collection. Look at that. Just look at those colours. Look at that. Look at everything. So good. And if that wasn't enough, we have 3 Fresh Kiss lip lacquers. I'm not going to swatch them all because I feel like, maybe I will. Let's see. These are the shades. So we've got Fudge Yeah, Macadamia, and the middle one, the name wasn't on it, but it's on the box. It's La Vida Mocha. That is what all the shades look like. I feel like I'm going to love all of these. So this is Macadamia. Okay, Macadamia. Keep that in your head because the next one is La Vida Mocha, which is a rich chocolate brown. Then we have Fudge Yeah, which is a nice dark chocolate shade. I love it. Okay, so those are those 3. And again, we're not finished. We have 4 Creme Luxe lipsticks in chocolate shades. And those glosses, they actually smell like chocolate. Look at the colour. Look at them. Okay, so the first shade we have here is Dolce de Leche, which is that shade there. I'm running out of space to swatch. I'm sorry. Then we have Ganache Queen. Ganache Queen. Right there. They're very creamy. Then we have Hazelnuts About You, which I'm just going to put up here now. In me knuckles. Oh, that's gone back in the box. And lastly, we have a Double Espresso, which from the name, and I can just smell the chocolate. So, yes, that is the chocolate collection. Okay, and then the last collection is a collab with Marielle, and this is the Control Alt and Glam palette. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And it's like a very gamer type collection because a lot of the names are related to games. So you've got like Circuit, Avatar, Hacker, Pixel, Tokens, like very gamer-esque inspired names. Then she has a lip gloss, which is in Player 1. Oh, and this is why I got it, because it is just gold, glitter, everything that I love in a gloss. Right there. And then we have 3 Luxe lipsticks. We've got Gamer Girl, Digital Twin, and Cyber Babe. This is the packaging. I don't think I have space to swatch them, so I'll just show you them. This is the shade Gamer Girl, which is a nice nude. Then we've got the shade Digital Twin, which is even more nude. That was a lighter one. And then we've got the shade Gamer Babe, which I feel like is going to be a fave. And I'm just going to find a spot to... right there. To swatch it. And then lastly... from everything, she has 3 blushes. I could not not get these. So we've got Just Playing. Look at the colour of the packaging, which is this nice red colour. I have just swatched right here. Then we've got Digital Baddie, which just looks like this. Might as well try and find a place to swatch it. It's a very muted pink, but the black from something that I've swatched has mixed into it, but it looks gorgeous right there. And then lastly, we have the shade Virtual Reality. It's like a nice neutral kind of shade. And I'll find a way to swatch this for you guys. A place, not a way. Which is like a nice peachy shade on my knuckle here. Alright guys, that is everything I've got from Coloupop except for the Muppet collection. Haven't ordered anything in their Black Friday sale just yet. I think I'll just get stuff around Christmas time now. So I hope you did enjoy this video. Please smash it a huge, I don't know where that came from, thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!